Guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update, we'll be definitely talking about PEPE. So if you guys are new in this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, basically PEPE is trading around 1384. If you guys remember, this was a head and shoulder pattern right here, a beautiful head and shoulder pattern. It was called out right here. After this deviation, we retested it and then we printed completely high. This is almost 30% trade. And then after this, basically we dipped this deviation, some sort of accumulation, and then we continued this legacy to the upside. Right now, let's get into a smaller time frame. If you focus overall, this is some sort of an inverse cup and handle pattern, whatsoever you can call it, but right now it's not looking very well. And at the same time, I'm personally interested. I will definitely talk about this. First of all, you guys need to understand that we are definitely holding this wick. If we try to hold above this trend line, we are definitely nice, right? And at the same time, let's talk about the RSI as well, what we are forming on the RSI. So if you focus overall, we are forming these highs right here, which is completely fine. Let's get into a smaller time frame on the immediate short term to understand what basically either we are forming some sort of either we are forming some sort of either we are forming some sort of a deviation right here, because we should form a deviation, otherwise we will definitely, as I told you guys, as I told you personally, if we try to break below, which we are trying to break below the structure, the next support would be exactly 1278, right? And we need to hold this deviation, guys. We need to hold this, and then we can definitely push back all the way up to this zone, because basically this is a demand zone from 1370 all the way up to 1333. Very simple. So we need to hold this deviation. At the same time, if you focus overall on the minor time frames, we are definitely forming some sort of a support exactly at 0.5 like 50% retracement of this wick as well. So we need to hold above, and as long as we hold above this, we can definitely push to the upside. This is a range where everybody is scared, but there is a very tight invalidation, so you guys should not be very scared to get into a long position. While if you ask me personally where I will definitely start to buy spot, I will definitely for spot, I will definitely wait. One of the most important thing is this wick right here. For me, this wick is very important. 1281 is very important wick, right? I need this wick to be taken out, and then I can definitely look for some long position. But if you talk about some sell-off position, guys, spot position, basically I'll be definitely looking 1149 all the way up to 1082. This is basically one of the most important area for me to get into a scalp to buy some spot. So I will definitely tell you, this is what I expect. Two scenarios right here. If we hold right here, we can get back into the zone. If we hold right here, we can get back into the zone. If we do not hold above it, then I'm definitely interested at 1278 wick low, right? 1278 wick low, one level, and then right here, it's basically, it would be a very good area if it's given for some spot position. I hope it makes sense for you guys. On the 1 hour time frame, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we are not forming any sort of a deviation right here. Right here, this is the low, and there is nothing there is nothing. So at the meantime, if you focus overall, this is the low, and this is some sort of higher high right here, and right now we are forming some sort of higher low. And the point is, there is some sort of an hourly deviation, but I'm not interested in these sort of RSI bullshit. These are a few of the important levels. I personally longed right here, and I'll be definitely waiting for this candle closing or hourly candle closing. So for me, this level needs to hold. That is exactly 1380. So once we start to hold above, once we start to flip above this, we can definitely form a strong SFP, and then we can definitely push the price to the upside. For me, it's a tight invalidation setup. I don't care. I just took it. Very simple. I hope it makes sense for you guys. Very simple stuff. I told you guys 3 scenarios. One scenario, hold here, pump to the upside. swap this wick, then pump to the upside, and then right here we can definitely try to buy some spot.